Are you a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or perhaps just someone who manages their personal finances with a keen eye on security? Have you ever wondered what truly stands between your hard-earned money and the unpredictable currents of the financial world? It's a question that keeps many of us up at night, especially in an era where headlines often paint a picture of economic volatility. We hear about bank failures, market downturns, and the ever-present threat of the unexpected. In this landscape, understanding how your money is protected isn't just a good idea, it's an absolute necessity. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on a topic that's often discussed in hushed tones or technical jargon, the safety of your deposits, specifically as it relates to innovative banking solutions like Relay Bank, and the bedrock of financial security in the United States, FDIC insurance. Forget the dry, complicated explanations you might have encountered elsewhere. We're going to break this down in a way that's clear, comprehensive, and most importantly, directly relevant to you. Whether you're a seasoned business owner navigating complex financial ecosystems or just starting your journey and looking for reliable banking partners, this deep dive will equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and sleep a little easier at night. For years, traditional banking has been the go-to. You walk into a brick-and-mortar branch, open an account, and your money is held there. Simple, right? But the financial landscape is evolving rapidly. We're seeing a rise in digital-first banking platforms, often referred to as neobanks or fintechs, that offer a streamlined, technology-driven approach to managing your money. Relay Bank is a prime example of such an innovator, specifically designed to cater to the unique needs of small businesses. They offer intuitive dashboards, robust expense management tools, and a focus on operational efficiency. But with this shift to a more digital, less traditional model, a crucial question arises: how is my money protected when it's not sitting in a giant, established bank with physical branches everywhere? This is where the concept of program banks and the omnipresent umbrella of FDIC insurance become absolutely critical to understand. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is FDIC insurance? The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, is an independent agency of the United States government. It was created in 1933 during the Great Depression, a time when bank runs and widespread failures shattered public confidence in the financial system. Its primary mission is to maintain stability and public confidence in the nation's financial system by insuring deposits. Think of it as a safety net, a government-backed guarantee that if an FDIC-insured bank fails, your deposits are protected up to a certain limit. Currently, that limit is $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This means if you have a checking account, a savings account, and a certificate of deposit, CD, at the same FDIC-insured bank, and all are in your name, they are collectively insured up to $250,000. If you have different ownership categories, say, a joint account with your spouse, or a revocable trust account, those can be separately insured, potentially increasing your total coverage at that same institution. Now, let's talk about how this applies to modern platforms like Relay Bank. Relay Bank itself is not a traditional bank in the sense that it doesn't hold a banking charter. Instead, it operates through a partnership with one or more FDIC-insured banks. These are often referred to as program banks or partner banks. When you deposit money into your Relay account, that money is actually held by one of these underlying FDIC-insured institutions. Relay acts as the technology layer, providing the user interface, the tools, and the customer service, while the partner bank handles the actual safekeeping of your funds and the regulatory compliance associated with being a chartered bank. This is a common model for many fintech companies that want to offer banking-like services without the immense regulatory burden and capital requirements of becoming a full-fledged bank themselves. So, the crucial takeaway here is that even though you interact with Relay Bank's app or website, your money is ultimately protected by FDIC insurance because it resides at an FDIC-insured partner bank. This is a critical distinction that provides the same level of security you would expect from any traditional bank. It's not a loophole or workaround, it's a legitimate and widely accepted operational model within the financial industry. But how can you verify this? Transparency is key. Reputable platforms like Relay Bank will clearly state which partner banks they use for deposit services and confirm that those banks are FDIC insured. A quick look at their website, often in the FAQ or Trust and Security sections, should provide this information. You can also visit the FDIC's bank find tool on their official website, fdic.gov, to search for specific banks and confirm their insured status. This due diligence is a powerful way to ensure your peace of mind. Let's delve a bit deeper into the $250,000 insurance limit. For many small businesses, especially those just starting out, this limit might seem more than sufficient. However, as businesses grow, their cash reserves can exceed this amount. What happens then? This is where the concept of deposit sweep programs or multi-bank programs comes into play, and Relay Bank, among other fintechs, often leverages these to provide extended FDIC coverage. Imagine this. Instead of holding all your funds at a single partner bank, a platform like Relay can intelligently distribute your deposits across multiple FDIC-insured banks. If you have, say, $750,000 in your Relay account, they might allocate $250,000 to Bank A, $250,000 to Bank B, and $250,000 to Bank C. Because each of these banks is separately FDIC insured, your total coverage effectively multiplies. In this example, your entire $750,000 would be protected, even though the individual limit at each bank is $250,000. This strategy allows businesses to hold significant cash balances with the assurance of comprehensive FDIC protection, mitigating the risk of a single bank failure impacting their entire liquid assets. It's important to understand that while the platform manages this distribution, the underlying principle of FDIC insurance remains the same. It's per depositor, per insured bank, per ownership category. The sweep mechanism simply diversifies the per insured bank part of the equation. This advanced feature is particularly beneficial for businesses that maintain substantial operating capital, reserve funds, or hold client money. It eliminates the need for businesses to manually open and manage accounts at multiple banks to achieve extended coverage, simplifying their financial operations significantly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.